Yo, it's me, Kinghuman. Listen up. If you're a woman, you can make a significant second income doing this weird thing. Believe it or not. What is it? I'm telling you, there is a market for women to rent themselves out as bridesmaids. Believe it or not, I just learned about this. I heard it from some woman. She's been doing it for years, and she gets big bucks. She puts an ad in Craigslist and rents out her services as a professional bridesmaid. Now, what is that all about? Well, I guess women get married and sometimes they don't have friends in the city that they're getting married in, and they want a support system, so they hire a professional bridesmaid. Now, as a professional bridesmaid, your duty is going to become kind of like being a psychological support system for the bride. You can't just stand there like a veal calf. You actually have to provide some support and do some things. But I'm telling you, from what I heard, there's big money in this. Of course, it depends on where you live. If you live in a big tourist city like Las Vegas or Maui, where a lot of people are getting married all the time, it's a pretty good gig, from what I understand. Obviously, it's nothing I've never done myself. I can't do, actually, that might make a cool thing, you know, hire myself out as a bridesmaid. That could be cool. But, you know, give it a shot. Do it, don't do it, I don't know. You know, she talked about it in depth. She said it was a really good gig. It made her a lot of money, several $100s a day. I don't know, $500 a day, whatever. But she said she started out advertising like in Craigslist, and then started expanding her advertising base to include different wedding venues and things like that. So look into it, get on it. It could mean a lot of extra money for a lot of you, you know, stay-at-home moms and things like that. You know, it could even pay for your travel to go somewhere exotic like Las Vegas or Maui or something like that. Could offset some of the, you know, if you do some planning and organizing, you know, advertise in those local papers over there and on those local Craigslists, and once you get a gig, you know, you know, it could offset some of your travel expenses. Anyway, do it, don't do it, what do I care? But I know some of you women are looking for a way to make extra dough. There it is, look into it. Sayonara, maximum respect, and donate a few bucks to help us a kid at St. Jude's Research Hospital for Kids. What could be better? Nothing.